Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe for daily updates on opportunities like this. And today I'm excited to tell you about the software development engineer internship at HackerRank. This is a 6 months full-time offline internship in Bangalore, running from January to June 2025. If you're a student or recent graduate who loves coding and can work on site in Bangalore for 6 months, this is an incredible opportunity. In this role, you will work with HackerRank's team to build real-world projects that impact developers globally. Plus, it is a paid internship opportunity where you will get stipend, and there is a chance that it may also convert it to full-time opportunity if you perform well. So, if you are interested, I will give the link in the description. Apply as soon as possible because no deadline has been mentioned. That's it for today, friends. Bye bye. See you in our next video.